Game can't find its code because of the CUDNN Inference DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll show you how to restore that connection and start playing. As we prepare to fix CUDNN Inference manually, consider the professional maintenance path for a more stable workstation. This DLL file is an NVIDIA library optimized for Convolutional Neural Network, CNN inference. It is widely used in AI-enhanced games and imaging software to perform rapid visual pattern recognition on the GPU. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. This error usually stems from an incomplete graphics environment affecting the CUDNN CNN Inference DLL. You should reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to repair legacy gaming libraries, while also updating your GPU drivers to resolve any compute-related or OpenGL issues. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the CUDNN CNN inference component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. Please exercise caution when encountering sites offering free downloads of the CUDNN CNN Inference DLL, as these files are frequently optimized for the wrong architecture and can introduce persistent threats into your sensitive system directories. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. If you're addressing the CUDNN CNN inference inconsistencies or system resource gaps, the link below provides informational maintenance resources. I hope this resolved the conflict preventing the CUDNN CNN inference from launching. For more deep dive technical tutorials and system configuration guides, subscribe to our channel today.